One hot vet, Pictonian Walton, Incredible Mike, PH Little Cam, Correggio Hanover, Largo Hall. Daisy Cutter, Rambaran on Broadway, in back Dreaming, here they come. And away they go. Up and pacing, and Rambaran on Broadway fires out. Pictonian Walton, and up the rail, One Hot Vet as they swing into the turn, and One Hot Vet will take over. Second is Pictonian on Walton, then racing up into third. That's Rambaran on Broadway. Pictonian Walton will not wait. He's out of the two-hole, and Bernard wants him on the choo-choo here. Pictonian Walton takes over. Second is One Hot Vet. Rambaran on Broadway is settled up third. Pacing fourth up the rail, Incredible Mike. Dreaming's away fifth. Now racing from sixth, Correggio Hanover. Then seventh, PH Little Cam. Largo Hall is eighth, and McDaisy Cutter ninth. 29 and 2 was the first quarter. They swing off the turn, down the stretch they come. The half is next. Pictonian Walton, the leader. Dreaming is rushing up now to challenge. Third up the rail is One Hot Vet. Rambaran on Broadway, now fourth. Correggio Hanover on the outside, fifth. Incredible Mike up the rail, sixth. Then it's Largo Hall. PH Little Cam, McDaisy Cutter, the trailer, the half in 59 and 2, approaching 5-8. Pictonian Walton up the rail. From the outside, Dreaming now matching his strides. Third on the rail, that's a One Hot Vet. Moving up fourth on the outside is Rambaran on Broadway. Incredible Mike on the cones, fifth. Correggio Hanover, sixth. Largo Hall, seventh. In the backfield, McDaisy Cutter and PH Little Cam. 3/4 in the books. 1:29 and 1 the time. And Pictonian Walton digs in at the rail. Dreaming on the outside, trying to wear him down. One Hot Vet is third. Rambaran on Broadway, fourth. Down the stretch they come. Still Pictonian Walton. One Hot Vet up the inside. Coming late. One Hot Vet and wait. Sorry, win it. Second, that is Dreaming. Incredible Mike was crying for room. He might have got third. 1:59 and 2.